Guys, this is the intro of why Grove Road level crossing in East Sussex. This crossing is usually part of railway halogens, guys. Grove Road crossing. To contact the railway, telephone that number. There to back up the Unipart halogens.
Hi guys,
this crossing has a GWE. This barrier was made on the 30th of February 1990. GWE Bristol. This crossing is 3 weights, 2 weights, 5. Lehman Road, York. Rubber crossing plan with wooden anti-trespass guide. 2 weights, 3 weights, 5. Warning: do not trespass on the railway. Penalty £1,000. Halogen. GWE barrier made on the 30th of February 2019.
You need to cross. You need to cross. Come on. Go.
Halogens. Grove Road. To contact the railway, telephone that number. Oh yeah, one thing. The southern side. Platform 1, via crossing to trace to Ashford for London. 5 change for London 5 Folkestone, Dover, Deal, Canterbury, Ramsgate, Margate, Maidstone. Platform 2 via the side entrance for trains to Hastings for Respawn, Lewis and Brighton, Gatwick Airport and Tunbridge Wells. Oh yeah, the funny yodel is behind the box, it's in the box. 2 weights, 3 weights, 5. GWE barrier made on the 30th of February 1990, made in England, Bristol. GWE barrier. Rubber cross flat with wooden anti-trespass guide. 2 weights, 3 weights, 5. GWE barrier Bristol, made on the 30th of June 2009, 30th of February 2019. All these barriers are made at the same time. But warning: do not trespass, small sign. There's the same sign again there. Yoda alarms in the GWE box, and it's very funny. Welcome to Rye, Platform 1 shelter. There we are. Here's the sign: Ashford International, Brighton, Hampden Park, Brighton to Victoria, Gatwick Express, Southern. Here we have an odd junction over there. The next sidings, there's the track. And there's your last Unipart rail line. This crossing is on the Ashford International to Brighton line, Ashford International to Respawn, and Ashford International to Brighton. Now it's towards Brighton, Hampden Park, Marshling. And now it's towards Ashford. Thanks guys for seeing the next video.